What's up, corporate professionals? Now, I know when you think about the thought of leaving your job, the first thing that comes to mind is probably your benefits. You are wondering, how in the HE double hockey sticks am I going to sustain, take care of my family without my benefits? And in this video, I want to help to ease you a little bit, but I also want to give you all a reminder. This is not something that you just can skate past. You have to put a plan together. You have to put a concrete plan together. So if you need help with that plan, make sure that you click the link below in the description so that I can help you further. But this video will definitely serve its purpose to get you started and get you on the right track. So stay tuned. All right, so first, most importantly, you need to determine what benefits are you at risk of even losing. Are you going to be able to keep some, or will you have to get rid of, are you getting rid of everything? And think in the aspect of your finances, of course, your health and the quality of your life, because you don't want to get rid of something, or you don't want to do away with something that you know you are going to need. So determine that first. What benefits are you at risk of losing? Now, the next thing you want to do is you really want to analyze what benefits you not only need, but the ones you want the most. So really take a minute to assess your finances, assess what your health is now, your children. Maybe you got a child with some braces or something. You want to have that stuff in mind. You want to be thinking about what you really need and what you really can't do without. What's your deal breaker? So y'all know I'm not just going to tell you to assess and analyze. I am, and you do need to do that, but let me also give you some alternatives. You want to be thinking about those alternatives. Some of you all may have a spouse who you can hop on their benefits. Is that an option for you? So that's something you want to think about. Then you also just want to look into maybe some government programs, or truth be told, just personal insurance. You want to see what alternatives you have out there, and you want to make sure you're utilizing all of your resources when you do this, because again, this is your livelihood. And a lot of times it's not just your livelihood, but it's your family's, your children, and your spouse livelihood as well. So you want to make sure that you're keeping that and everyone in mind. Now, I did not include this on my list that I have, but I also want to throw this out. You really want to make sure that you are talking to multiple insurance providers. Do not just talk to one. Don't just talk to one broker. Talk to multiple, because you want to be able to really test this market and see what your options are. But the next thing that you want to make sure that you do is put together a plan. I can't express that enough. Put together a solid plan. You've already determined what you need and what you want. Based off of those things, what does that price look like? Based off of that price, maybe it's better if we get added onto, maybe it's better for you to get added onto your wife's or your husband's insurance policy, because instead of you paying the additional $250 out of pocket, it may be an additional $50 added on there. So you want to be able to really put a plan together and, make it plain. Work that thing out. It's not just going to happen. It's something you're going to have to get on the phone. You're going to make some phone calls and make some things happen. But you want to weigh out what's going to be beneficial, not just for you, but everyone else around you. Now, another quick thing that I want to make sure I add, you want to invest in some long-term insurance, 401ks, life insurance benefits. Those things matter. Retirement plans, those things matter. I don't want you to think that, oh, you're going to be an entrepreneur, you're going to make all of this money and that stuff won't matter, because it does. Go ahead and start contributing to those retirement plans, your Roth IRAs. Make sure that you're thinking about that. Go ahead and look into increasing your life insurance policy if you have one. Or maybe if you don't have one, go ahead and get a life insurance policy. I love, recently I've been introduced to the whole life policy. I like that better than my current policy. It's not term, but I like it a lot better. So you want to make sure that you are thinking about the bigger picture, even on a long-term scale. So you have your benefits that you need to have now, dental, health, eye, whatever it may be. Once you understand what you and your family need, guys, the options are out there. You really just have to explore them. You really just have to sit down with your family, with your spouse, and put that plan together. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. check out whatever YouTube is going to throw at you next, and I will see you on the next video.